tell people to follow their dreams, but you can only dream of what you can imagine. And depending on your knowledge, your imagination can be quite limited. This wizard of District 105 is here to help you to broaden your perspective and imaginations and widen your dreams. Magical are his hands, creative is his brain, and impressive are his words. But he will make you go flat with his impassive patience. Give me a mesmerizing round of applause to welcome our District Public Relation Manager, DTM Shaiju Victor.
Thank you to Dr. Toastmaster Munibali for those words. Now, being here on this afternoon, on a Friday afternoon, and spending time, sacrificing your sleep to understand the awards. More than 100 Toastmasters. This is an honor to all those club members, all those team members who worked with us in finalizing these awards and helping us put up this program today. So let me straight away get into my role as a presenter for the PR Awards for the year 2021-22. Is my screen visible to all? Thank you. The first set of award, we start with the member award. There is a slight clarification on this. Earlier, this award was open to articles from all languages. Now it is limited to articles written in English, and it can be on any subject or any topic, printed and published in any print media. Earlier, there were only 3 winners. Now it has been revised with 6 winners. This is an effort to salute all those writers in our fraternity who go out of Toastmasters and prove themselves in the community. So this award will be an annual award, and the last date of entry is 30th April, which you can do it through the website. Our second award is Blockbuster Award. We just had 33 entries for the first month. So here, let me clarify very clearly that the award, we don't expect you to write only on Toastmasters. It's like your speech, or it's like any of your inspirational notes. It can be on sharing knowledge. It can be on communication. It can be on leadership. But you leave a message which is relevant to Toastmasters. That is all is required. And we will not cut your wings or your creative freedom. And we invite more blogs to come up. We already have 12 blogs published in our district website. And finally, there will be 5 finalists and 1 winner every month. And the third award for a member is those heroes who actually do a lot for the publicity of their clubs, areas, and divisions. Designers, many a times we may even forget to thank them. So this is for those designers who can produce 6 of their artworks as a portfolio. And this is going to be an annual awards wherein 10 finalists will be honored and 3 winners will be declared. The last date for entry is 30th April 2022. And here comes the Phenomenal Poster Award. Here we are there to encourage all of you, to police your creativity. So brand compliance is there, public appeal is there, and then how effectively, how creatively you are trying to convey the message. And there is an expert, a team of experts who are going to go through your all posters. And we got around 130 posters this month, the first month, and out of which 5 posters were selected and they were published on District 105 portal. So from that, 1 poster will be elected or selected and awarded as the best poster or the phenomenal poster of the month, and which will be decided solely on brand complaints, on attractiveness, on appealing, and how creative it is. All those 5 posters which are there on our social media platforms, there is an opportunity for all those club members and club officers to support your club by going to the social media platforms. Mainly only 2 platforms we have, that is Instagram and Facebook. You can go like, tag, share and comment on your post, and which will earn points for you. And the most popular in terms of like, tag, share and comment will receive the most popular poster award, which will be called as the People's Choice Poster Award. And every month there will be a winner. There is the only connection between phenomenal poster and the People's Choice poster will be that the first 5 finalists, we are ensuring that minimum quality is assured. From those 5 finalists only, the People's Choice Poster Award winner will be selected. That is the only connection. So the points or the likes or the share that is going to the People's Choice poster will not have any impact on the decision making of the winner of Phenomenal Poster Award. Now we have made it very simplified for this year regarding the newsletter. Many clubs were finding it difficult to publish the 3rd newsletter because after January, it will be a busy contest season and they don't get enough articles to publicize the 3rd newsletter. So if you complete 2 newsletters before 31st of December, you have time till 31st of January to submit those to or upload those 2 newsletters on district website. If you go ahead and publish 1 more newsletter, and that earns you an additional point in Hall of Fame. So you just need to publish 2 newsletters with minimum of 12 pages before 31st of December. The winners will be announced. It's an annual award. Winners will be announced during DTAC 2022. Now comes Social Insight Award. We are all on online. Social media is playing an important role. This will decide all those clubs that has got heavy social media presence. It will be a half yearly award, which will be decided on 31st December and 30th April. 5 clubs will be shortlisted, and out of which 1 will be chosen as the winner. The awards will be declared on 31st of January and the second one during DTAC 2022. This is a time when we are not able to sit together and take groupies, but that should not limit your creativity. That should not limit your togetherness. So we have come up with a novel idea of having a picture perfect award wherein you can make a collage of your club or area division. So now we are speaking only about club. And in that, only one thing is that it should not go against the branding guidelines. You edit the picture creatively and make it brand compliant and have at least 1 branded item. Anything, it can be a ribbon, it can be a pin, it can be a flag, it can be anything that is related to Toastmasters and bought from Toastmaster. That will enable you to contend for this award, and there will be 5 finalists and 1 winner will be shortlisted every month. The last date is going to be 31st of this month. You have got 10 more days to edit your perfect picture that shows that imbibes the vibrance of your club. That can earn you an award for the club. Next award is Make a Difference Award. We all go out of Toastmasters, do CSR activities, HPL projects, YLP, Speechcraft programs. So if your club is involved in one such program, take the details, upload them on district website before 30th of April 2022. There will be 10 finalists, and the best program which was conducted by best 3 clubs will be awarded as annual winners. The award will be given away during the DTAC 2022. Vivacious Video Award is an opportunity for you to develop your video making abilities. Try to make brand complaint videos. To help you out, we have given you topics. There are plenty of topics. There are around 10 topics we have given. So in that line, you can make a video which need not be a bigger one, which can be below 5 minutes. Send it to us, and that will be published on our district YouTube channel, and one winner will be awarded every month. Peerless Podcast Award is for all those podcasters who want to speak out their ideas. This is a perfect platform. You don't have to speak on Toastmasters alone. It can be inspirational stories, interviews of achievers, life-changing lessons, quick tips, top 10 lists. Anything can be your topic. Only thing is that don't go against the taboo subjects of Toastmasters. Other than that, from that line of topics which we have given you, there are around 14 topics. Anything you can select and you can make a podcast below 8 minutes, and that will be a contender for the PLS Podcast Award. Then we have clubs who go out and have programs on audio and audio on radio and TV. Any program that is telecasted, that is broadcasted, whatever is there, you can share it with us at the end of the year. 6 finalists will be shortlisted and 3 winners will be chosen as on an annual basis as winners. The next award is on Corporate Spotlight Award. There are a lot of corporate clubs wherein the company is supporting them boundlessly. So this award really goes to those companies, those corporates, not to the club. So that when the winning club can always go back to the HR of the company and tell them, look, Toastmaster International has recognized your effort on supporting us. There will be 12 finalists, out of which 6 winners will be chosen annually and rewarded and recognized during DTAC 2022. This year, we have come up with an exclusive Arabic award for the best poster. The terms and conditions are same. Then we have best social media interaction award. Then we have the Stellar Newsletter Award. So the terms and conditions for all these awards are same as individual club awards, but this can be in Arabic language, and those 3 awards will be the entries of those 3 will be considered for these 3 Arabic awards. So that is all about the PR awards for the year 2021-22.